this is what we're gonna do in this backward indexing method from the weighted unit values. So we are going to have this is R1, R sub 1 plus, oh, I forgot again, P bar here. So now plus 1 times P bar, this is equal to R sub 1, P sub 1 plus P sub 2. Okay, now in this case, what am I going to obtain from this identity? So I can solve for R sub 1. So what am I going to get? I distribute R sub 1 P bar plus C 1 times P bar. It's gonna be equal R sub 1 P sub 1 P sub 2. So now here I can move this one to the other side, get R sub 1 P sub 1 minus plus P sub 2 minus R sub 1 P bar plus P bar. Okay, now what am I going to obtain? Get 0, and this one I can associate with this R sub 1 P sub 1 minus P bar, now plus P sub 2 minus P bar. Okay, so from this identity, the last one, I can solve for R sub 1. Now in this case, I will have R sub 1, which will be equal to, on this side, it will be opposite of P sub 2 minus P bar divided by P factor of R sub 1 is P1, P sub 1 minus P bar. Now, this is the same as, so if I take absolute value, beta, in order to not to have negative weight, I'm gonna have absolute value P sub 2 minus P bar absolute value over P sub 1 minus P bar absolute value 2. And this is absolute value P sub 2 minus P bar 2 or par absolute value P sub 1 P bar in absolute value. Now, as a conclusion, we must have the same conclusion as in the forward indexing method, and then we will have R sub 1 equal to P sub 2 minus P bar to P sub 1 minus P bar, and this is the ratio, overall ratio for the, in the case of a mixture of two quantities. Okay, so now for forward indexing formula, what we have is just like what we have here. For if index equal to n equal to 2, so that with indexing forward indexing method, so we'll have summation k equal to 1 until k equal to n of product of reciprocals extending index j extending from 1 until j equal to k minus 1 of p sub k minus p bar. So this must be equal 0. Now if k if n equal to 2, then here we substitute 2, and doing so we have product of reciprocal of ratios from k equal to 1. Now if k equal to 1 here, 1 minus 1, now minus p bar, so plus c. So product of reciprocals of ratios from j equal to 1 until j equal to, now with k equal to 2, the last value of k, and now p sub k, so k here it is equal to 1, k here is equal to 2, p bar. So this must be equal 0. Now this product is equal to 1. This product, of course, is equal to 1. This one is equal to reciprocal of r sub 1. This is 1 times p sub 1 minus p bar plus c, reciprocal of r sub 1, p minus p sub 2 minus p bar equal to 0. Now you can deduce very quickly. We can deduce the value of we can easily deduce the value of reciprocals of r sub 1. This one on the other side, p sub 1 minus p bar divided by factor of the reciprocal p sub 2 minus p bar. So now multiplying by 1, no change, we get negative p bar minus p sub 1 minus p bar over p sub 2 minus p bar. Now if we take we want r sub 1, we take reciprocal of 1, reciprocal of the reciprocal, so we get negative p sub 1 minus p bar, numerator p sub 2 minus p bar. So this is equal, we don't need to restrict ourselves to the fact that p sub 2 is greater than p bar or is less. Likewise for p sub 1. So reason why we take absolute value, in this case p sub 1 minus p sub bar, because we don't know negative weights. So in this case we are going to conclude that this is the same as the ratio as it was asked. Rather, another notation is p sub 2 minus p bar to p sub 1 minus p bar. So this is the ratio by forward indexing method. So we can use backward indexing method. Actually, this is this one. We are going to look for forward indexing method. Forward indexing method. Oh, let me use the same color. Using the same color. This is backward indexing method. So So we will have this formula in which